So guys, welcome back again. Now we are back to Prague. So we are at a place called Charles Bridge, which is one of the oldest bridges in Czech Republic. Actually, here in Prague, I think this is like the oldest bridge. This bridge, the construction started around 1357 and got completed around 1402. So this tells you that this bridge has been here for centuries. It's really a very big tourist attraction because when you look back there, you are going to find a lot of people trooping in and out. That's the tower, which is the entrance of the area. So this tower, I believe there is a restaurant up there. From there, you can have a great view of the entire place. So now we are going to go there and we show you what the bridge looks like, and I hope you are going to enjoy it. Some of the attractions here when you come to Charles Bridge are the statues of different saints. As you can see, this one, I don't know exactly who they are, but if you take a closer look at this, you're going to find that these things have been here for really very, very long time. Literally for centuries. Really, like about 30 such statues here, about 30 or 32 of them. By the way, this bridge, like I said, is called Karlov Most, which means Charles Bridge. Also, it was called the Stone Bridge before the name was changed to Charles Bridge. So if you can see, the bridge is built, it's a kind of constructed of also there are some of the statues that are quite new, like this one. I believe there are two of them that are new, but the rest of them are really old. I see you. When you look behind me, you are going to see a queue. So you're probably wondering what people are doing there. When you are seeking something, or you want to be blessed, or you're trying to be, you want to find the luck, this is where to come and touch that thing there. You see, as people are touching it, so that is the way it was. So for me, in order to wish myself good luck, I'm going to go in the queue and also touch it.
Nächstes Jahr muss man
This bridge, as you can see, crosses the river. This river is called Vatava. So the bridge crosses the river Vatava. The bridge is long and about 12 meters wide. So as you can see, it's quite a very long bridge.
Nee, mali bio is er para era. Je kan net Tampico misten, ja, dat is ook niet.
I think this is where you come to make pledge. As you can see, there are these padlocks which people live here. Interesting. As we warned you earlier, it's really a lot of So finally, this is the second tower behind us. So, like I said, both ends of the bridge has got one tower. So I had already shown you the first one initially. So this is the second tower. And so to come into or to cross the bridge, you have to take either side of, you have to come through the, through that. So that's where actually this bridge ends. After that, next we are going towards the Old Town Square. It's unbelievable amount of people today.